Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about minerals, various types of minerals, the sources of these minerals and their functions. Now, what are minerals? Minerals are nutrients which is required by our body for its proper functioning, normal growth and good health so that we can remain healthy and fit. Minerals generally are required in small amount in our body for proper functioning and normal growth. Minerals do not supply energy to our body. Now, types of minerals. Minerals are of two types. One, macro minerals or major minerals. Number two, micro minerals or trace minerals. Now, what are macro minerals or major minerals? Minerals which are needed relatively more in amount in our body are called macro minerals or major minerals. Examples: sodium, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus. These are the examples of macro minerals or major minerals. Now, what are microminerals or trace minerals? Minerals which are needed relatively less in amount in our body are called microminerals or trace minerals. You can take the example of iron, iodine, copper, manganese, etc. Now I will discuss about few macrominerals or major minerals, their sources and their functions. First of all, I will discuss about calcium. Calcium are found in milk, cheese, eggs, in meat, even if green vegetables, in whole grains, cereals, etc. And what are the functions? Calcium is needed for our body to carry out many important functions. Almost all calcium is stored in bones and teeth, where it supports their structure and hardness. The body also needs calcium for muscles to move and for nerves to carry messages between the brain and every body part. It also plays an important role in the clotting of blood. Here, few sources of calcium, students. You can see in the pictures: meat, egg, milk. Now come to phosphorus. Now, what are the sources of phosphorus? Milk, cheese, nuts, bajra, ragi. Even in green vegetables, phosphorus are found. Now, what are the functions of phosphorus? Phosphorus also helps in the formation of strong bones and teeth. It plays an important role in how the body uses carbohydrates and fats. It is also needed for the body to make protein for growth, maintenance and repair of cells and tissues. Okay students, so we should eat these types of foods so that we can get phosphorus. These are the pictures of sources of phosphorus. Now come to sodium. Students, sodium you can find easily in common salt, fish, meat, eggs, in these types of foods. Now, what are the functions of sodium? Students, it helps our nerves to function and muscles to contract. It helps our heartbeat to stay regular. It also helps to transmit nerve impulses. Here, few sources of sodium. A common salt is given. Now come to potassium. Students, even potassium can be found in milk. So students, we have seen that calcium, potassium, phosphorus all are in milk. So we should have this kind of food. It is also found in yogurt, oranges, potatoes, widely distributed in all foods. Even in banana. Now functions. Potassium is essential for the contraction of muscles and transmission of nerve impulses. These are the sources of potassium. Milk, potato, you can see in the picture. Now students, iron. Students, what are the sources of iron? Green leafy vegetables, legumes, spinach, jaggery, egg yolk, in apples, in cereals, iron is present. So we should have these types of food so that we can have iron. Students, here one thing I need to say, iron is a kind of microminerals or trace minerals. Now what are the functions of iron? Essential for the formation of hemoglobin in red blood cells, and hemoglobin carries oxygen from the lungs to different body cells. So students, it is very important. It is required in less amount, still it is very important for our healthy functioning of body. These are the sources of iron. Spinach is rich source of iron. Even in egg yolk, iron is present. So we should have these foods properly. Now students, another microminerals or trace minerals I will discuss, that is iodine. Now what are the sources of iodine? In iodized salt, in seafood, even in green leafy vegetables, iodine can be found. Now what are the functions? Iodine is very much essential for the formation of thyroxine hormone, which is secreted by the thyroid gland present in the neck region. This hormone actually control our physical, mental and sexual development of our body. So this is also important for our body. Okay students, you can see these are the sources of iodine. Okay students, so up to this you will learn from your book. Thank you.